Hello students, in this session we are going to learn about how to create a drop down list by using spinner and adapter and toast. So majorly we are concentrating on three components in Android. So the spinner is used to drop down the list. So adapter is used to connect with the given list, and finally toast is nothing but simply a pop-up message. So by using these three we are going to create an Android application, display drop down menu items and allow user selected one using spinner component. This is our target. So I am clicking on new project. I am selecting empty view activity. So now I am giving the name drop down list spinner. So API version I am selecting 25 and language I am selecting Java. This is most important. And I am clicking on finish to create the project with API 25. So Gradle project is importing. It took 1 or 2 minutes time. So now it is imported. I need to select the project. From the project, app, source, main, resource, layout. It is the activity screen and main activity is the Java code. So here we need to give some name for the existing test view to display what item you are selected in the drop down menu. So to show the selected item we required a test view. That's why I am giving Android ID. So I am giving a name of view selected. So I want another view I need to create, that is spinner. The spinner is nothing but simply a drop down list. So we can wrap content or wrap to and we can wrap content. Now we need to give some ID for this. First I need to close it. So Android colon ID so I want to drop down some courses like MBA, MCA, BCA, BBA like this. So that's why I'm giving name as spinner course. So I created more than one view on the screen. That's why I need to go to the design mode. I need to apply the constraint weights. It is mandatory. So I applied the constraint weights. I am changing the adjustments, but it is on the top of text. That's why I need to give some additional weight to down. 125 I am giving. So hello world is showing here and item drop down list is showing here. So now my screen design is completed. My test view name is view selected. My drop down list, nothing but spinner name is spinner course. So now I need to go to Java program. So here I don't want this edge to edge right now, and view part is also not required right now. So this is the minimum structure of our Java code. Now first I need to map the things. So first I need to spinner class, spinner. So we given spinner course, spinner course, same variable name we are using here, and we have one text view. So text view, so name is view selected. View selected. So I want some course list of courses. What courses I need to drop down or spin? Those courses I need to create with string array course or courses is equal to beginning ending. Now I need to add some courses here like BCA, comma, MCA, comma, BBA, comma, MBA, comma, BTech, like this. So I given some of the courses. In the previous session, for in the previous session also we used the same string created for auto completion. Similar way we created a string course, but right now first our course should be mapped with adapter, because adapter can hold the list of data, list of or area of data can hold by adapter, and adapter need to connect with spinner, which will show as a drop down list. So like that, step by step we need to go. So now I am entering into the code. Similarly I need to connect with screen variables or screen views to Java code. So spinner course is equal to find view by id r.id dot spinner course. So view selected is equal to find view by id r.id dot view selected. So now first we need to create an adapter similar to the previous program. So I need to create an adapter. It is nothing but array adapter which will hold the list of items. So array adapter, our list of items type is string. That's why I need to pass string. So I am naming it as adapter is equal to new adapter. It contains 3 parts. First one is this, comma, it is nothing but this same component we are saying. Next, Android dot r dot layout dot simple spinner item. So we need to select a previous class simple list item we selected. Right now we need to select simple spinner item. Simple spinner item we need to select, comma. So array adapter need to hold our courses. So that's why we need to pass it as courses. So adapter is ready. So it holded our list. It is holded our course list. Now I need to connect these to spinner. So to connect with the spinner, so I am using adapter dot set drop down view resource. Set drop down view resource we need to select. In this we need to tell again onWrite dot r dot layout dot. Now we need to select simple spinner drop down item. So adapter now is the type of spinner. Okay, now I need to set this to our spinner course. So spinner course is a type of spinner. Spinner course dot set adapter. So our adapter we are assigning to spinner. So we adapted to the spinner. Now our spinner is ready. So simply if I run this, so first we simply adapter created. For the adapter we clearly mentioned that it is for spinner purpose and we connected to the spinner. So now it is showing a drop down box. But if I selected anything, it is doing nothing, just it is showing the selected item. So I want to, when I selected, some pop-up message need to come and show MBA selected. Otherwise in the hello world place I need to replace with selected one. For example, if I selected BTech, it need to show in the hello world place BTech. Otherwise if I selected BCA, it need to show in the hello world place. At the same time a small pop-up message is also need to appear. For this purpose on spinner selected, so that's why spinner course dot set on item selected listener. On item selected listener we need to use. In that new adapter view on item listener selected, we need to enter it. The complete code will be given very clearly. Just what type of listener we required. If I click on a spinner, means drop down, what item is selected. So see, complete code it is given. So adapter view is nothing but it is the parent. We can rename it. We can use it parent also. Parent means our spinner. I means, actually I is nothing but position of selected item. So I am renaming for understanding purpose. So parent is nothing but adapter view, because it is all maintaining by adapter itself. That's why. And position is nothing but selected item position. So I need to store the selected item here. String selected is equal to parent dot get item at position. So position is holded in position variable. So I need to use the same variable position. If here used I, Here you need to use I. Here you used X. Here also you need to use X. Dot. We need to convert into string because our target variable is string. That's why we need to convert into string of. So now no errors, means we got the selected element in selected variable. Now I need to toast it. Toast is nothing but simply remember a pop-up. In Android, toast is nothing but pop-up. So we need to select toast. It is a default available. So toast dot make test of. So on which screen or which activity we need to show the pop-up. So our code is in main activity. So we need to show pop-up on main activity only. So that's why I need to select main activity dot this. So I am showing the pop-up on same screen. And what I need to show? I need to show selected item value. Okay. So I am showing, it is our own test. Selected. Okay. This is our comment. Plus. So selected means this is the variable. Okay. Selected dot. It contains position. And it need to show selected dot toast. Selected dot toast dot 1 minute. selected. Selected item here we need to show. Now we need to toast it. Toast dot length long. Overall I need to show. Okay. So this is our message actually. Our message is selected is our comment and it is the selected value we are showing on the screen and length long total toasted value we need to total length value we need to show. So this is for showing of the content. So now I am rerun the program. So now see, if I select MCA, so one pop-up is coming below. Observed. If I selected BCA, so this is the pop-up automatically disappears. It is nothing but toast. If I selected BTech, so it is showing selected BTech and automatically disappear. The toast is nothing but a small pop-up will occur and show the selected content. This is our message. What we typed here, the same message will be shown. So selected is our message. Selected is selected item value. Okay. So the same value I want to show in the place of hello world also. So in the next line, toast it as well as show the label. So what is our label name? So view selected. So view selected dot set test of selected. So I am saving. So this line will set the text view value. So by default it's shown BCA. Now I am selecting MCA. So MCA text and pop-up. If I select BTech, it is showing BTech and toast also showing BTech. So this is our program. So we need to select anything, it will toast automatically. So I am ending this session.